Alright, let's go ahead and let's work on our TeachReady Studio monthly. Just going to give you an idea what we could do. Create a water table lesson. You can see it starts building it. Tells you the grade level, subject, estimated time, hands-on investigation model, all the learning goals, the success criteria, the vocabulary, materials that you'll need, preparation, safety measurement notes, then your directions, how to teach it, the main idea activity, you can model out the different models. You got the water table here, the heavy rain, drought, and then you can discuss and explain it. Then you got your exit ticket. Tells you, breaks down the time period by how much time for each one. Then your student directions, student page, work page, and then your answer key and an exit ticket. We also have the answer key to the exit ticket and the differentiation support, and an extension. So that gives you a pretty good idea of how to use the TeachReady Studio monthly. You can take this, copy that, put it over into a Google Drive. It might do it here. Create a PDF or docx that I can use with my students. See if that'll do it. It might not. We'll see. Give it time to think about it. See if you can do it. A little bit harder for it to do this type of work. Alright, so see we can click the copy it, and you can carry it over to a Google Doc, bring it up, or you can edit it. I don't see the entire document, so I'm going to see if it'll actually show me what it looks like. Copy. We'll see what I can do with this copy it. Let's go to google.com. See what I can come up with. Might be able to do one here. Nope. Okay. Of course, I could just copy this. I could grab this and just copy it and make it my own. Same way for this here. Just copy it and make it my own. Start right here. And just copy it and make this my own. Ah, it's worked. Perfect. There it is. It created it this time. So you copy it into a Word or Google document, then click print, save it. And there you go. That's how you do it. Alright, does that make sense?